Testosterone is responsible for the development of a number of male physical characteristics, including hair patterns on the head. It also determines beard growth, affects muscles, and a man's overall personality.
Have you been feeling a dip in your energy levels lately? Is your sex drive not what it used to be? It might be time to take a closer look at your diet. Testosterone, a hormone that is crucial for male health and well-being, can be influenced by what we eat. Fortunately, there are several foods that have been shown to boost testosterone levels naturally. Welcome to Healthee, and in this video we will discuss the top 10 testosterone boosting foods and how you can easily incorporate them into your diet. From nutrient-packed leafy greens to aphrodisiacal seafood, watch ahead to learn how these foods can help support healthy testosterone production and overall vitality. Number 10. Tuna. Tuna is a great source of vitamin D, which is essential for maintaining healthy testosterone levels. Research has shown that men with higher levels of vitamin D also tend to have higher levels of testosterone. Additionally, tuna is a rich source of protein, which is important for building and maintaining muscle mass. To include tuna in your diet, try adding it to your salads or sandwiches. You can also enjoy it as a main dish by grilling or baking it with your favorite seasonings. Number 9. Eggs. Eggs are one of the most versatile and nutrient-dense foods that you can incorporate into your diet. They're a great source of high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. One of the reasons why eggs are considered to be a testosterone-boosting food is due to their cholesterol content. Cholesterol is a precursor to testosterone production, which means that consuming cholesterol-rich foods like eggs can support healthy testosterone levels. However, it is important to note that cholesterol intake should be balanced with a healthy lifestyle and diet, as consuming too much cholesterol can lead to health problems such as high cholesterol levels and heart disease. When it comes to incorporating eggs into your diet, the possibilities are endless. You can have them boiled, fried, poached, scrambled, or even baked. Eggs can be enjoyed on their own, or added to a variety of dishes such as omelets, frittatas, and salads. You can also try incorporating eggs into your baking recipes as an egg replacement, as they help bind ingredients together. Number 8. Oysters. Oysters are often touted as an aphrodisiac, and for good reason. Oysters are a rich source of zinc, a mineral that is crucial for testosterone production. Zinc can also help maintain healthy sperm count and quality. To include oysters in your diet, try having them as a main dish or an appetizer. You can enjoy them raw, grilled, or even baked, and pair them up with a variety of sauces and seasonings. Number 7. Beef. Beef is a popular and nutrient-dense food that can help support healthy testosterone levels. It is a rich source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. In fact, a 3-ounce serving of beef contains approximately 22 grams of protein, making it an ideal food for those who are looking to increase their protein intake. In addition to protein, beef is also a great source of vitamins and minerals. It is a rich source of vitamin B12, which is important for nerve function and the production of red blood cells. Beef is also high in iron, which is essential for oxygen transport and energy production. Other important nutrients found in beef include zinc, selenium, and phosphorus. One of the reasons why beef is considered to be a testosterone-boosting food is due to its high levels of saturated and monosaturated fats. These types of fats have been shown to help support healthy hormone production, including testosterone. When it comes to incorporating beef into your diet, there are many options to choose from. You can have it grilled, baked, roasted, or stir-fried. Beef can be enjoyed on its own or added to a variety of dishes such as stews, chili, and salads. It is also a great source of protein for post-workout meals, as it can help repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Number 6. Pomegranate. Pomegranate is a fruit that is rich in antioxidants and has been shown to increase testosterone levels in both men and women. One study found that drinking pomegranate juice increases testosterone levels by an average of 24% in men. Pomegranate also contains nitrates, which can help to improve blood flow and circulation. To include pomegranate in your diet, try adding the seeds to your salads or smoothies. You can also enjoy pomegranate such as a refreshing beverage or use it as a base for your favorite cocktail. Number 5. Garlic. Garlic is a pungent and flavorful herb that has been used for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. It is a rich source of several important nutrients, including vitamins B6 and C, selenium, and manganese. It is also a potent antioxidant that can help protect against cellular damage and inflammation. One of the reasons why garlic is considered to be a testosterone-boosting food is due to its ability to reduce cortisol levels. Cortisol is a hormone that is released in response to stress, and elevated levels of cortisol have been linked to decreased testosterone production. Garlic contains compounds that have been shown to help reduce cortisol levels, thereby supporting healthy testosterone production. Garlic also contains allicin, a sulfur compound that has been shown to have several health benefits. Allicin has been shown to help reduce inflammation, boost immune function, and even help lower blood pressure. These health benefits can help support overall well-being and contribute to healthy testosterone levels. When it comes to incorporating garlic into your diet, there are many options to choose from. You can add it to a variety of dishes, such as stir-fries, pasta sauces, and roasted vegetables. It can also be used as a seasoning for meats, poultry, and even fish. For those who are hesitant to consume raw garlic due to its pungent flavor, garlic supplements are also available. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, garlic supplementation can help improve testosterone levels in rats. The study found that rats fed a garlic-rich diet had higher testosterone levels than those in the control group. While more research is needed to determine the effects of garlic on human testosterone levels, this study suggests that garlic may have testosterone-boosting effects. Number 4. Brazil nuts. Brazil nuts are a rich source of selenium, a mineral that is essential for healthy testosterone levels. Selenium also has antioxidant properties, which help to protect the body against oxidative damage. Studies have shown that men who have higher selenium levels also tend to have higher testosterone levels. To include Brazilian nuts in your diet, try adding them to your trail mix or granola. You can also eat them as a snack or chop them up and sprinkle them over your yogurt or oatmeal. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger is a spicy and aromatic root that has been used for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. It is a rich source of several important nutrients, including vitamins B6 and C, potassium, and manganese. It is also a potent antioxidant that can help protect against cellular damage and inflammation. One of the reasons why ginger is considered to be a testosterone-boosting food is due to its ability to reduce inflammation. Inflammation has been linked to a variety of health problems, including decreased testosterone production. Ginger contains compounds that have been shown to help reduce inflammation, thereby supporting healthy testosterone production. Ginger also contains a gingerol, a compound that has been shown to have several health benefits. Gingerol has also been shown to help reduce nausea, improve digestion, and even help alleviate pain. These health benefits can help support overall well-being and contribute to healthy testosterone levels. When it comes to incorporating ginger into your diet, there are many options to choose from. You can add it to a variety of dishes, such as stir-fries, marinades, and sauces. It can also be used as a seasoning for meats, poultry, and fish. A review of clinical studies published in the journal Evidence-Based Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that ginger has an anti-inflammatory effects and can help reduce pain and inflammation in people with arthritis. This suggests that ginger may help support healthy testosterone levels by reducing inflammation and chronic inflammation, and has been linked to increased testosterone production. For those who are hesitant to consume raw ginger due to its strong flavor, ginger supplements are also available. Number 2. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green that is packed with nutrients including vitamin C, magnesium, and iron. It also contains phytoesterics, which are compounds that have been shown to increase testosterone levels. Spinach also helps improve circulation and it can help reduce inflammation in the body. To include spinach in your diet, try adding it to your salads or smoothies. You can also saute it with garlic and olive as a side dish, or even add it to your pasta or raw dishes. Number 1. Almonds. Almonds are a nutrient-dense snack that can help increase testosterone levels. They're rich in magnesium, which helps regulate muscle and nerve function, as well as vitamin E, which has antioxidant properties. Almonds also contain healthy fats, such as monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, which can help support healthy hormone production. To include almonds in your diet, try having them as a snack, or even adding them to your trail mix. You can also use almond butter as a spread for your toast or sandwiches. So are you ready to make some simple, yet effective changes to your diet and support healthy testosterone levels? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to supercharge your health even more, check out our latest video release or our Essential Health playlist, both right here on the screen. We'll see you there.